Hey everyone, welcome to a CRO teardown of Two Hounds design. This is going to focus on sort of really high impact things that they can change to increase conversions for their e-commerce store, get more orders, people increasing their shopping cart size. So my name's Jonathan Gorham. I run a e-commerce digital marketing agency called Engine Scout. We specialize in everything e-commerce. So with that, let's get started. Now, these guys look like they have quite a successful niche store selling these, really cool design dog harnesses, collars, leashes. So that's good. But in terms of conversions, we're tearing this website down. Now, there's a few little minor things straight away, but this banner is... it's really busy. I don't think it needs to be like this. People aren't going to read this at all. I would simply just have free shipping when you spend $65 or more. And then you can have like a little asterisk symbol so people know that, down the bottom of your footer, you can have free shipping policy, and then you can explain all the further details. So just keep it clean. And secondly, again, on this main navigation, the first thing that I saw is this wholesalers. It's like so prominent in the middle. This is what caught my eye. And it made me think, these guys, okay, so they're like a wholesale supplier. And I think the goal with this Two Hounds with their website is they probably want to get a lot of consumer sales still. So they want people shopping directly on the store. So this wholesales navigation, I would actually remove from here altogether and just put it where it makes sense, where most people know where it'll be, down here on the footer where it is. And while I am here in the footer section, this is a minor gripe, but I'm not a fan of these centered menus like this. It's just difficult to read. Just keep it all left and succinct. It looks a lot nicer, aesthetically pleasing, and it's easier to read for your customers. So that's minor. But back to the top. So with the navigation itself, get rid of the wholesales. We don't need that. This news section as well, I feel that is wasted space. It's irrelevant if we just go to the page itself. People are coming here to shop. We want to just be keeping it all focused on sales. This is sort of just like blog posts and things like that. Something else, that's another bit of space that we can clean up, and maybe just move that down into the footer for news as well. So get rid of these two items. I would literally just have home. You could even potentially get rid of that because you've got the icon. So shop now, about us, contact us. And then I'd also add something like clearance or on sale. Just to really drive home some people looking for some bargains, pick those people up right away. Another thing that's really bugging me is the accordion here. So it's like this autoplay accordion, and it's really fast. So if I'm as a shopper, I'm looking, okay, cool, the Freedom Harness training system, and then bang, I didn't get to see anything. I couldn't go to shop now because it's already changed. So either drop this accordion altogether and just have single images, and then you can explain all these different types of product features as we go further down, or at least pause the accordion when people are hovered over, and then allow them to scroll. So I would remove the auto scroll, that's straight away. And if we come down to the just below the fold, so obviously it's not as high priority as above, but this is still prime real estate for selling. So we want to keep it focused on sales. And you can see again, the news is up here, and then we're getting the latest news article here. I would remove that. That doesn't need to be there in this prime real estate. It can be further down the page where less people are scrolling. We want to keep people shopping. So you would just have like a banner, best-selling items here. And I would straight away also introduce categories. So you could have like shop collars, shop leashes, shop collars and leashes bundles. What else do they have? Under $25, what's new, or, on sale, just as categories. And there is a nice way. I did like it. I saw these guys, something like this. It doesn't have to be the same design, but you get the idea. This would be far more effective for shopping as opposed to having this news. So just to change that area there. This is all fine. Yeah, I like all this. This is fine. And yeah, this is the other final thing just on the homepage. The Instagram panel here, this would be much nicer if we actually saw, like, you could get this is a WooCommerce store. There'd be heaps of plugins on WordPress. You can just install a nice social Instagram, showing all the Instagram photos. So then customers can start looking at that, getting inspiration. Oh, that's like my dog. They might see, their style of dog. They'll click on that photo, and then on Instagram, you can have the, shop now button. For for that specific product and then take them to the product page. So I would straight away be introducing that nice Instagram tiled section, and then having, you could even crowdsource that and get, your customers to send you photos, images of them walking their dogs with the product, and just smash that all across the Instagram. I would be doing that for sure. All right, so moving on, if we go to shop now, we'll follow what the person who runs this store, what they want us to do is to go to the shop now. So this is the category page, all the products. Now, the first thing that bugged me out right away was the filtering system here. It needs a lot of work. I would like to see, be able to filter by collars, harnesses, leashes, just be able to filter. They've got like this expandable menu and it's just super messy. No one's going to look at this. It's tough to find what I'm looking for. If I'm shopping and I'm browsing the store, it's not easy. And if I don't want to use the filters, again, there's only like 12 products here on this main shop all page. I doubt people are going to go through and click all 24 pages. So it'd be nice to just have like an auto open. So as they scroll down, it just loads up more products and they can just continue just sort of browsing and getting inspiration for ideas. And also on this page, because you guys have so many products, or there is so many products here, I might be tossing up as a shopper between this collar or this collar, that they're kind of similar and I still haven't made a decision. So it'd be nice if there's like a little heart button, add to favorites. So customers could just click and that would just go into their favorites basket, and then they can make a decision a bit later for purchasing. So that because also these products aren't high, they're not that expensive, so people will probably add a couple into their favorites. They'll be there and be like, I can't decide, and they'll just probably purchase both of them. So that's another thing that I'd be getting on the category page. And also, I am noticing here on the category page, you've got 2 products here while we're here that have reviews, but a lot of these products don't have reviews. So I would be working, I can tell straight away, reviews are huge for conversion. So I'd be getting a getting strategy in place right away. You can see here with this leash, there's no reviews at all. I would be getting reviews and getting the little 5 stars popping up here right below the title. And then so people can click and then they can read reviews if they want. So yeah, that would be a priority. Also, just having a nice little live chat. So if people have any questions, they can just chat right away with someone. That would really help with the conversions as well, help people with making the right decision. So a little online chat would be super nice there as well. And a small, but nice to have as well. It'd probably take you a couple of days, but have a photo of someone walking a dog with this product. That would help a lot as well, so I can see what the actual leash looks like. And anything else, that's pretty good for the product page. I had a look at WooCommerce, so in terms of the cart itself and the checkout page, we'll just have one look, but that looked all fine. Just go here and have a look. Proceed to checkout. I feel that there's an option here as well, to also add upgrades. So if people add a collar to their cart, you could suggest, hey, why don't you get the matching leash as well? I think a lot of people would go for that. So there's an opportunity there to increase your average order values right off the bat there, just by offering little upsells, because these products aren't overly expensive. You're offering people $65, they get free shipping. So just encourage them, nudge them, keep pushing them to add more to the cart before they complete the shopping experience. So the checkout itself is fine. Trust signals I can see are everywhere, which is good. And one other thing actually, before I did leave, I did notice one other thing that I liked. I can see that the product itself is like made out of recycled webbing or some sort of recyclable material. Recycled plastic bottles. I mean, that's a huge thing. You guys are obviously you're caring for the environment, you're recycling products. That's awesome. But I didn't see that until I was on the product page. Like, that should be, you guys should have that. This should be all over the homepage, recyclable materials. Consumers these days are savvy and they will make a purchase decision on that alone, just to support that cause, because they will have the same values that align with you. And I think that should be highlighted a bit more clearly. Definitely have that on the homepage. I would also have it on the main shop page as well, the main shop category. So they're the main things. High value for increasing conversions, lifting average order values right away. These are changes that wouldn't be too hard to implement. You could do them very quickly. So I hope that was insightful and you learned a bit. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.